Hi, I'm Rie, and this is my recipe for giant soup dumpling. So I made this giant mochi ice cream video and it seems like audience really enjoyed it. Then I was wondering what else I can make giant, and it's soup dumpling this time. A few years ago when I made this video, giant soup dumpling was really popular at restaurants, and I was wondering if I could show people a way to make it at home. Using gelatin is an easy way of making soup dumpling at home because gelatin melts with heat, so when you finish steaming it, it basically becomes soup. So I had to test this 3 or 4 times because when I was testing, the filling wasn't fully cooked. So I was wondering what was wrong. And I found out induction stovetop is not strong enough to create strong steam to steam up the huge soup dumpling. And also I was using bamboo steamer and bamboo basket was not sealed enough, so steam was escaping. So I decided to use aluminum foil to wrap around it, and it worked perfectly. This is really delicious. Tasty Japan actually did a video where they tried to replicate, and they were really impressed with how tasty it was. It's all in Japanese, so it's difficult to understand, but they seems like really enjoyed it. There is my favorite soup dumpling restaurant, but there is always a long line. And also giant soup dumpling place is located in New York and outside of LA, I believe. So I wanted to make a home because that's something I always do. If the restaurant is too far away or there is a long line, you have to wait more than 1 hour. I just wanted to make a home because I like making a home and I don't need to leave my house. I'm really proud of this recipe and I think you guys should try making it at home. It may seem intimidating to try and make a dish like this, but I think you can do it. When it's cold, it's solid, so it's easy to wrap it. So when you're making dumpling dough, make sure edge is thinner than the center because you don't want the dough to gather at the top and twist it so the top ends up becoming very tough and thick. So in order to see if it's fully cooked or not, you can poke a small hole with a toothpick or something. If clear juice is coming out, then it's fully cooked. If it's pinkish or opaque, then it's undercooked and you need to cook more time. At the end of the video, I used straw to drink the soup because all the restaurant was doing so, but you don't need to do it because soup is really hot and I don't want you to burn yourself. So I made a giant mochi video and I made a giant soup dumpling. What other food you want me to make giant? Comment below, I will make giant. As always, thank you for watching. If you make soup dumpling, what else can I say? Thank you for watching. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.